You're listening to the Cyberwire Network, powered by N2K.
Funding for this Cyberwire Word Notes podcast is made possible by KnowBe4, the experts in social engineering and the pioneers in new school security awareness training.
The word is NIST. Spelled N for national, I for institute, S for standards, and T for technology. Definition: a branch of the U.S. Department of Commerce whose stated mission is to promote U.S. innovation and industrial competitiveness by advancing measurement science, standards, and technology in ways that enhance economic security and improve our quality of life. Example sentence: NIST collaborates with the private sector to develop new technologies. Origin and context. Article 1, Section 8 of the United States Constitution grants Congress the power to promote the progress of science and useful arts by advancing measurement science, standards, and technology. President William McKinley in 1901 signed into law the National Bureau of Standards Act that founded the National Bureau of Standards, or NBS, within the Department of the Interior. In 1988, Congress changed the name to the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, in the Omnibus Trade and Competitiveness Act and placed it in the U.S. Department of Commerce. NIST has worked on a wide range of projects that have had significant impact on various fields. For example, NIST's cesium atomic clock, developed in the 1950s, is considered one of the most important inventions in the field of timekeeping. NIST also worked to advance the science of quantum cryptography and quantum computing, and of course, NIST is at the center of some of the most widely used cybersecurity standards worldwide: the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, CSF, and the NIST Special Publication 800-53. Nerd reference. At the 2022 11th Annual Meridian Global Leadership Summit at the U.S. Institute of Peace, NIST Director Lori Locascio talked about the technology challenges in the near future.
So I love our mission at NIST. It's to promote U.S. innovation and industrial competitiveness. And it's really all about ensuring our collective economic and national security in the context of today's complex and really shifting global economy. Our reputation for technical excellence, integrity, perseverance, and really uncompromising rigor is essential to our success. And so we find ourselves right now in the midst of rapidly accelerating technological change that's reshaping our lives in so many ways. For example, biotechnology, we've heard about that today, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity and privacy, energy technologies, advanced communications, and quantum information science. These technologies are not being developed in isolation. They are cross-cutting, and they directly impact the digitalization of our society. And with this, it presents many complex problems to solve. But solving the hardest problems is something that we get really excited about at NIST and have been doing since our creation in 1901.
Word Notes is written by Tim Nodar, executive produced by Peter Kilpie, and edited by John Petrick and me, Rick Howard. The mix, sound design, and original music have all been crafted by the ridiculously talented Elliot Peltzman. Thanks for listening.
Thanks to our sponsor KnowBe4 for making this episode of Word Notes possible. Users are the last line of defense in keeping organizations safe from cyber attacks, and it's critical to keep them trained and on their toes with security top of mind. The team at KnowBe4 are the social engineering experts and pioneers of new school security awareness training. They've got the world's largest training library, and its content is always fresh. KnowBe4 delivers interactive, engaging training on demand. It's done through the browser and supplemented with frequent, simulated social engineering attacks by email, phone, and text. Learn more at knowbe4.com. That's KNOWBE4.com.